Mark Munson, and I live in Mount Lebanon, which is south of Pittsburgh.
And I'm Mark Munson.
They had lots of good reviews, and we liked them. They seemed honest, and they have proven to be so, and nice. I mean, they were just very easy to work with.
Yeah, and they really had, I think, the most comprehensive design, and they gave us a lot of confidence that taking out a wall, that, you know, some of the big changes in the house would be done to spec and also, you know, leave our house in a better state.
Oh, Missy was fantastic. She drew up everything we wanted and more, helped us to figure things out, like, you know, just even the subway tile on the back of the kitchen wall, which went all the way up to the ceiling, which she suggested, and I was like, oh, I'm not sure. And she goes, no, you're sure. So I was like, okay, I'm going to trust her. And it was perfect. It's perfect.
Yeah. She was really patient with us with a lot of iterations too. We looked at different cabinet fronts and different handles and all kinds of different configurations of the cabinets, and she just came back with a really fantastic design. And
we have her coming back in next week to do another closet for us, because we took out a closet and we're like, oh, we need that back. So she's going to figure that out for us. They were very good about cleanup. They cleaned up every night. They even asked if there was anything else they could do. They were above and beyond, and just lovely people. All very nice. Yeah, we had great, you know, lead carpenter and project manager was outstanding, Sue. But all of the crew on site was really just great to hang out with. Even, you know, they were here a lot. I mean, they were here for weeks, and we got to know them pretty well. So yeah, good bunch of guys. Yeah, and they always asked, like, if there was a question, if something was like, oh, do you want it this way or that way? And so they would interrupt, and you know, which was great. I was here, and I was more than happy to, and so we were able to tweak things, and even more to my liking. Well, we actually did recommend them to our neighbors who use them for their bathroom, and you know, we may end up doing the same thing eventually down the road here. But yeah, they were great. I would not hesitate at all to recommend them. Yeah, I would say you can be confident in their work, and you know, in the quality and the people that are going to come into your house. Everything was just really exceeded our expectations. So when I first walked into our house, I thought, okay, all these walls have to go. And we lived with it the way it was. And when we finally got to it, it's just perfect. And I couldn't have expected it to look better. And our family, our son and daughter come back, and they're like, oh, this is just perfect. So yeah, we're very happy. They get a 10 out of 10. Yeah, definitely. For me, it's what we always wanted. It's great.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.